Proctor Valley meet. We're at the most haunted road in California. And then we have another Action Van Ultimate lift right here. Oh, and then there's 3 Raptor grills. Raptor Grill, Raptor Grill, Raptor Grill. Move bumper. Very nice. Right there. That front end is on point. Suitable for front end Fridays. But I think we could do better. Let's go ahead and put a Raptor grill in this. This is an update video of my original Raptor grill unboxing. Here's my Raptor grill updated. So I put in the Ford letters. I painted them red to match the 6.8 liter. I took out the lights right here. The real Raptor, the pickup Raptor, doesn't have these lights, so I went ahead and took them out. Rock deflector right here to cover the emblem. I also painted it black just in case you were able to see through this. You're not. So there it is. I think it looks a lot better. So I'm gonna go ahead and play the old Raptor grill footage along with links in the description and pinned in the comments where to get one of these. Let me know in the comments section. Are you gonna pick up a Raptor grill for your Econoline? That front end is on point. Suitable for front end Fridays. But I think we could do better. Let's go ahead and put a Raptor grill in this. This is an update video of my original Raptor grill unboxing and install video with current eBay listings for 92 to 2014 Econolines. Even the Super Duty Econolines have a Raptor grill on the aftermarket. Not only did I add a Raptor grill, I also painted the bumper black, added new lighting, and also some wide body fenders, so my van is more Raptor-like. It's on a 5-inch lift kit. Monster wheel gap. And here's the fenders from another angle. Eventually I'll get a offset rim so it comes out more to match the fenders. Aftermarket rims. Just got my Raptor grill in the mail. Let's go ahead and unbox this. There it is. Looks good. See what else we got here. Okay, that's the Ford. That's the Ford for the front of the grill, but I don't think I'm gonna put the Ford on the front because I have a Ford emblem on my hood, so that looks redundant when it says Ford. So it does come with the letters, and I think this is the lighting wiring for it. Slipped it on top of the stock grill just for a quick test fit. So these are advertised for 03 to 07 Econolines. In 08 they came out with the Super Duty front end, but this grill shape is the same since 92, from 92 to 2007, so we'll make this fit. Since this Raptor grill is gonna have new lighting, I went ahead and disconnected the battery 8mm socket. So it looks like a couple of bolts right here on top of the stock grill, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to pull off the lights. So let's just pull off the lights first, push towards the vehicle and pull up on both sides. and then that'll come right out. Stock grill is off. It was actually only 3 bolts and some clips on the bottom. That's it. 932 socket. Got it from Harbor Freight. Deep well socket set. The bolt holes in my 99 lines up with this Raptor grill. Even though it's advertised for 2003 to 2007, I'm going to show you guys where it doesn't fit right now. It's not a big deal. You got to really inspect it. So this comes down right here. It doesn't line up. So there's no clips that line up with the stock location. Let me pull this off. The bottom clips don't line up to any of these. So these will not be used. So since the clips don't line up on the bottom and the only mounting point is the top 3 bolts, I don't want this the lower part of the grill to be flimsy, so I'm just going to drill a hole here and here on both sides and just zip tie across. Simple. Here's a look at the other side. So it's those clips that don't line up with the stock mounting location. So drill here, zip tie across. Simple. So we have the top 3 mounting bolts, and then we could zip tie this when we bolt this in, so that this part, it's not flopping around, so it's less flimsy. Okay, here's what we got going on. The amber lights, this came with the wiring harness. I just Gorilla taped the wires onto the grill because I don't want any wires showing in front of the grill. Here's the bottom LED light bars, and I'm gonna just splice these in with the off-road lights on my van. And then I just drilled a hole right here just so I could zip tie the wires onto the grill so everything's clear. Before I bolted this in, I made sure that the lights worked. So all you have to do is touch the negative and the positive terminals. Do a quick test of the lights. Just touch it like that real quick. There you go. It works. I spliced in the Raptor grill lights onto my off-road lights and my headlight LEDs. I finally attached those. I'll show you guys that in a second. So I removed this trim so I could tuck the wires under here so it's cleaner. Action Van suspension, ultimate kit, Well-Tech Designs, Baja grocery getter, Raptor grills on the older and newer body style. Javi Wasabi's van, not haunted.